it's Rockin' Robin, and I was up bright and early to go see the new ornaments for 2026 at the Hallmark store. Yes, they have been released, and here is what I saw when I walked in. I'm always so excited for the holidays. I just love to go and look at the ornaments, and here they are. And this is the highlight, the one I showed you in the beginning. It is, of course, the Disney Cinderella's Castle. And you know what? I was surprised. Look what they have. Not right here, right underneath it. It is lounge fly ornaments. Aren't they adorable? Look at that. I loved those. I said, oh my God, I gotta have those. And there's some other great Disney. You know me and my Disney. I have 3 different Disney trees, so I'm always looking for Disney ornaments. And look at all the different kinds they had. If you're a Harry Potter fan, they even had Loungefly Harry Potters. I don't have those, but hey, those are adorable as well. And a lot, of course, Mickey Mouse and Star Wars, and of course I did grab a few of those as well, ornaments. And then when you go up here, these were the children's ornaments. They have them displayed by category and what they have. These were some for the kids. Here are some Barbie and some more Disney. Now, I was mostly looking for Star Wars because that is my one tree that I don't have a lot on. So, you know, I look for those, but look at all the variety that they had. And they're so cool. I love that little stitch. These are for Faith. Now these are family and baby, and I really love that they had dogs and cats included in here because my puppy is definitely my baby. Here are some more of the Star Wars. Very cool. And Harry Potter, they didn't seem to be working. I did find a few. I'm going to show you them working. There is Star Trek. I'm also a fan, but Star Wars is my tree, so all right, let's see what we can get going here. So next we have ornaments for sports and gaming.
Christmas was all through the house. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. As I drew in my head and was turning around, down the chimney St. Nicholas came with a bound. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads.
Well, that was very cute. Here are some more ornaments that I don't want you to miss. I want you to get to see everything. I know a lot of you like different kinds of things, and maybe you collect the same one every year, the new car or new airplane or new Barbie, whatever it is.
Bye guys, have a great day.
The Disney Cinderella Castle plays 3 songs. Here's a little drummer boy. When I saw this, I thought, just lights up. What good is that for $149? But no, you gotta press the button if you want to see what it does.
Who's next on my list? Ah, little Harry and Jordan. Won't they be surprised? They're trying to hit us. Zero! Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night!
Here was a cute Lionel, but I guess it wasn't plugged in because it didn't do anything. And then these are the Hobbies and the Minis. That's where maybe there's some more different kinds of cars I showed you. And it looks like there's trains and fire trucks and little stuff for smaller trees. Well, this is Rockin' Robin. I was so excited. I hope you were excited to see the 2026 Hallmark ornaments. Please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it so much. Go out there and have a happy holiday.